few days back, I was stuck in a metro ride with nothing but the dull hum of the train around me as my earbuds died on me. That's when I realized music isn't just entertainment, it's an escape. और जब आपका earbuds आपके साथ छोड़ दे तो बहुत बुरा लगता है. And if you are hunting for that escape and don't want to look for a charger now and then, without spending much on a pair of TWS earphones, the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R may just be your ticket. तो क्या प्राइस है इस टिकट का और is it worth considering? चलिए जान लेते हैं. The OnePlus Nord Buds 3R is originally priced at Rs 7099. However, the company started offering the earbuds at an introductory price of Rs 1599. बैंक ऑफर्स के साथ प्राइस और भी कम हो जाएगा और ये earbuds आपको मिलेंगे 1500 रुपए के अंदर. It's available on the company's official website and Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra and other online and offline stores. At first glance, the Nord Buds 3R keep that clean minimal Nord vibe. We got the Aura Blue variant which looks refreshing compared to the usual black and white earbuds. The compact stem design featuring a matte finish feels light in the ear. With IP55 protection, these buds are safe from sweat, dust and even light rain. During our usage, the fit was comfortable enough to handle head shakes without slipping. And with AquaTouch controls, we didn't just control playback, we were also able to click photos with a simple tap. Inside, you get the 12.4mm titanium coated drivers turned for that extra bass punch. The sound profile leans towards fun and energetic. Think bass heavy tracks like EDM or hip hop, but vocals and mids don't get lost in the mix. इसका मतलब अगर आप EDM या hip hop tracks सुन रहे हो जैसे कि Blinding Lights by The Weeknd या फिर सिरा by गुरु रंधावा, तो बेस का थंप आपको क्लियरली फील होगा. लेकिन अच्छी बात यह है कि वोकल्स और मिड्स भी क्लीन रहते हैं. मतलब अगर आप शेप ऑफ यू बाय एड शीरन या AR रहमान का बीट्स ऑफ पैशन जैसे गाने सुनोगे तो आवाज़ बैलेंस लगती है. सिर्फ बेस ही ओवर पावर नहीं करता. सिंपल शब्दों में बेस लवर्स को मज़ा तो आएगा बट क्लैरिटी भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं होगा. फॉर कैजुअल लिसनिंग, स्ट्रीमिंग एंड इवन कॉल्स, द ऑडियो क्वालिटी फील्स promising. Meanwhile, the dual mic AI noise cancellation did a good job during calls. Its ability to cut down background chatter during conversations is quite decent. Now, battery life is one of the key highlights of these earbuds. OnePlus has promised up to 54 hours of total playtime with the case, plus fast charging gives a quick top-up of hours of listening. During our usage, the promised battery life turned out to be almost accurate. Connectivity on these earbuds is future ready with Bluetooth 5.4, Google Fast Pair, dual device pairing and even a low latency gaming mode. Extra touches like real-time AI translation and Find My Earbuds make these earbuds stand out from typical budget ones. So, do the OnePlus Nord Buds 3R justify their price? For Rs 1600, you are getting a stylish and comfortable design, punchy audio with custom equalizer options, long-lasting battery life with fast charging, AI noise cancellation for calls, and smart extras that you usually don't see in this price segment. We have tested these earbuds for call quality, real-time battery backup, and gaming performance, and these earbuds offered quite a satisfying experience. So the Nord Buds 3R looks a contender in the budget TWS category that is worth considering. Now, would you pick the Nord Buds 3R as your next budget earbuds, or do you have another favorite in mind? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such tech reviews. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में.